We usually think of seasons as a natural cycle, but in recent decades, seasons are no longer shaped by nature alone. Science shows that human activity is changing the planet's annual rhythm. As greenhouse gases increase, temperatures rise, and the timing of seasons shifts. Spring begins earlier, autumn lasts longer, and winters become shorter and weaker. Scientific observations show that over the past 50 years, spring has arrived 1 to 3 weeks earlier in many regions. Plants are especially sensitive to these changes. They rely on temperature, daylight, and moisture to regulate flowering and fruiting. As warming accelerates, plants bloom earlier, but pollinators like bees and insects may not yet be active. This timing mismatch, known as phenological mismatch, creates serious risks for ecosystems. Migratory animals are affected as well. Birds and other species migrate based on seasonal cues. When temperatures and food availability shift, animals may arrive too early or too late. As a result, food peaks are missed and breeding success declines, a pattern already documented in many species. Cities amplify these effects. Concrete, asphalt, and traffic retain heat, creating urban heat islands. In cities, spring is felt earlier, winter is milder, and snow melts faster. Measurements show that cities can be 2 to 5 degrees Celsius warmer than surrounding rural areas. Snow and ice seasons are shrinking globally. Snow forms later and melts earlier, reducing freshwater storage, altering river flow, and increasing drought risk in summer. Seasonal change now directly affects the water cycle. Agriculture is being forced to adapt. Farmers plant and harvest earlier, but late frosts and sudden heat waves increase crop losses. Farming is becoming less calendar-based and more vulnerable to weather shocks. Fire seasons are also changing. What was once a limited seasonal risk now stretches across many months due to prolonged heat and drought. This blurs the traditional boundaries between seasons. Overall, seasons are becoming less stable, less predictable, and more extreme. Scientists describe this as increasing climate variability. If warming continues, seasons may not return to their previous rhythm. In some regions, the classic 4-season pattern may fade entirely. Seasons are not just changing, we are changing them. Spring accelerates, winter weakens, autumn stretches, and the planet's internal clock is being reset by human decisions.